Puppy girl. Puppy. Come. Puppy, come. Hey, Papa.
So where did you find this one?
This is Mary.
Yeah.
She was found in Cobham Junction, running wild with the traffic. So we managed to catch her and bring her back here and feed her up. She's not a big eater, but we're looking for a home for her. If anybody could give her a home, she'd be delighted. And this is Pete, who we found that was absolutely skinny, had nothing on him there. He's fattened up, he's got all his coat back, he's been sterilised, and to find a home for him would be marvellous.
Julie. Where's Julie?
Out.
Yeah.
How she get her drawers around it?
Yeah, here.
She seems really happy.
That's right. She's not in the least bit. Sorry to tell you, she ain't missing you.
There you go.